All right, this is celebrity pharmacologist, and today let's look at this new topic on the board. And the topic says understanding the difference between drug, medicine, and medication. Someone actually asked this question in one of the video I posted. The person asked what's the difference between a drug and a medicine. And I find it necessary for us to actually discuss this topic. Firstly, by way of definition, we say drug is any chemical substance that alters the body's function. Any chemical substance that, when introduced into a living system, it can affect one or more physiological or biochemical process. So a drug might actually be used for prevention, that's what we call prophylaxis, or diagnosis, or also can be used for treatment. Now, what is medicine? Medicine is a drug formulated and intended to prevent, diagnose, and treat diseases. That's what medicine is. Now let's look at medication. Medication is a medicine that is prescribed or taken by a patient as part of treatment. Now, in terms of purpose, drug might be useful, might not be useful. It might have therapeutic use or therapeutic benefits, might be beneficial, while it might not be. However, medicines are specifically for therapeutic purpose. They are designed for therapeutic purpose, for treatment or for prevention, also for diagnosis of what diseases. That's what medicine are meant for. Now, talking about medication, medication refers to the use of medicine in a patient's treatment. When someone is using a drug, when a doctor prescribe a drug or prescribe a medicine, and the patient is using that medicine, it's no longer called medicine, then it should be called medication. Now let's give examples of our drug. We have paracetamol, diclofenac, morphine, nicotine, cocaine, your rice, your beans, your bread, egg, everything you eat, they are all classified as drugs scientifically. Now talking about medicine, you call paracetamol tablets because it has been formulated. We say amoxicillin capsule, paracetamol syrup, we say insulin injection. These are what we call medicine. Now talking about medication, we call it blood pressure medication. That's a group of medicine, what they are being used for. You say diabetes medication, analgesic medication, or you say pain relief medication. Now let's talk about the focus. Drug, it's about the chemical substance itself. Drug is not really interested of what it is used for, what it can do. It's just that raw thing. That is drug. Now,